What's up guys, welcome back. We've got our second episode here. Another code along with me, another Frontal Mentor project as well. We're going to be tackling a social media like links kind of card. Nothing too crazy. This one, I would say much easier than the previous one. I think I'm only basing that off the fact that the video is much shorter. So maybe not easier, it was just quicker, I should say, with this little project that we did. So yeah, quick and easy, nothing too crazy. Once again, just some basic HTML and CSS. Haven't touched on JavaScript in the early projects, but I think for memory, I felt confident with everything. I don't think there was anything that was overly challenging in this episode, if I remember correctly. Just slowly working on a couple things. If my efficiency mainly with HTML and using Emmet, you see, I think I do struggle actually maybe a little bit with setting up my buttons. I wasn't sure entirely if I wanted to, like if I wanted to wrap a button around the anchor tag. I wasn't 100% certain. I got there in the end, but yeah, besides that, it was another mini project, nothing too crazy. I think one thing, a little, maybe goal is not the right word, but an objective that I have for these videos is I'm trying to, specifically around the context of editing in particular, I'm trying to do one thing just a little bit different every time I edit, just to increase my repertoire, my arsenal, so to say, of my ability to be able to edit videos. And I think now that I'm thinking about it, I kind of would like to do that with the coding as well, because I think you will see through a lot of the episodes, I really rely heavily on grid. I struggled when I first started learning CSS. I learned Flexbox first, but that did not go well at all. And for my fucking little pea brain, at least at the moment, grid makes a lot more sense for me as a beginner. And I think I need to branch out from that, because I know I will be using Flex in the future. I do use Flex already, but only in very, very specific occasions. So I think, you know, speaking about the editing, how I'm wanting to try and just, you know, something minor. It doesn't have to be anything crazy, but just something minor where I am attempting to try and learn and improve. And I think maybe I can even take that mentality into my coding as well, just with all the different projects. Again, like I was saying, see if I can just do something slightly different, but we will see. Maybe that is a mentality that we will look to try and implement. But there's nothing really I want to touch on in this video. Once again, I will also mention that if you guys do have any criticism, any feedback in regards to the code, I think maybe some of the early projects might be a little bit less in regards to room for any criticism. And I'm only saying that just because I think the projects are relatively on the easier side. And then I think when we get to the later projects, I think still, regardless, I will take any feedback possible. So hope you guys enjoyed. Again, like I said, not really 100% sure on the style that we're going to be going for. We will be growing. We'll be growing every day. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to let the video play out now. Doesn't have too long left. Again, like I said, it was a pretty easy card, but appreciate everyone hanging out. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys in the next one.